Fine folks, welcome back to my channel. My name is America of America's Abstracts. If you're new here, hi! I like to create fluid art as a way to cope with my various chronic illnesses like Lyme disease and POTS and Ehlers-Danlos syndrome. That's just only a few of them, so it gets kind of lengthy when you do them all. Anywho, so today's video I'm going to do a how-to. I'm going to show you how I seal up my wood paneling that I do, whether it be like birch wood, pine for like some of my paintings and all of that. Basic thing. You're gonna need a brush, whether it be foam or regular foam. I just throw them away. I don't even bother cleaning them because they really suck to clean. So you need a brush, and then you're gonna need some GAC100. I'll be doing a couple coats of this. Stay tuned so you can see how I do it in a time-lapse process. Just to let you know, I have a sale going on, 20% off of all of my 2020 wall hangings that were already listed on my shop. So if you have been wanting to get some new art, definitely check it out. I also do have some mini prints which go in between like 4x4 and like 4x8. Those are also on my shop, so definitely check it out. My shop is right there. Well, without further ado, let's get into sealing those wood panels. Okay, so what I have here is I have I'm going to show you a couple different things. I'm going to show you how I do the wood on like an odd shaped, like this in. I'm going to show you how I seal up around. Alright, let's get to it. First things first, got your GAC100. That stands for Golden Acrylic Colors 100, which is essentially just what golden is. Squirt a little bit into a cup. And then I have my brush. So we're just going to start applying a thin layer and then waiting for that to dry, going on the back. That'll be one coat. Doing it again for at least one more coat, depending on if I missed any spots the second time or first time. Alright, let's get to it. Okay, so this one also is ready for its back coat. So, grab our GAC100 and then just lightly brush. There's some, as you can see, stuck in the foam brush, so I'm just kind of pushing on it to release. Just going along the sides like I did with my in. Like I said, it's always good to make sure that things are covered. I didn't always used to seal my wood. I got lucky actually and never had a warped piece. I did have a few where air bubbles would come up as it was drying, and so I do have a few ruined pieces from it. But I never had specifically a warped piece. But I saw enough people have warped pieces and get upset about it and realized I need to do something to prevent that as much as I can, as much as humanly possible. So, like I said, I did another light coat right on there. I'm going to be doing another coat on my big circle as well. I'll be doing a time lapse for that. Alright folks, this first coat on all of them are all dry. I actually let it go another day only because I had other things to do. So we're gonna get right to it. I got my GAC100 for the second coat. While that is starting to dry, I am going to put the second layer up. I have my in, and I have another round to do. So, okay folks, it has been about 20 minutes and the tops and even the bottom of course are dry to the touch. So what I'm going to do is, working my way up, I will flip this to the opposite side and do another coat of the GAC to equal the second coat on the back, as well as I will do that for the smaller round and also my end. It's a good thing I have some GAC on the way. I'm almost out. GAC's really expensive pretty much anywhere except for like Jerry's Artarama, I guess. And sometimes Blick will have a good sale. There we go, and it looks like it says no. There we go. There we go. And backwards. Alright, so I just wanted to go over the benefits of sealing your wood. One, reduces the chance of warping to like pretty much nothing. Once you seal the wood, it works really well. Two, provides more of a smooth surface and reduces the appearance of wood grain on your painting. comment down below what you want to see tutorial-wise. Also comment down below if you have any ideas for a color palette that you want to see me execute. I am totally up for a challenge.